Now, corresponding question. First of all, read the question. If the system are released from rest means no external force apply from any block. Okay. Now, next one. Then find the oscillation of each block. Our motto determine oscillation of each block. So, how can we determine? Clear? How can do it? First of all, what about a string? If a string is not mentioned, is massless or what about mass? So, we have considered always massless. Okay. So, now next target, there are two string. So, in both string tension are different. If here in this string is T1, then here T2. Okay. So, now next one we have focus on, next target is block diagram of these three block 1, 2M, M and M. So, how can do? First of all, free body diagram of this mass and 2M. Okay. So, if this one is 2M, here M and here M. Clear? We have focused on indirect contact force, and after that we have focused on direct contact force. Indirect contact force due to gravity, here 2M, so 2M into G, and here M into G, and here that is M into G. Clear or not? 2mg, mg, mg, here mass M, here mass M. Clear or not? After that, now we focus on that one. Okay, that is 2mg. 2mg is indirect contact force. Now we have focused on direct contact force. This one is connected to this string. So, represent like that one. Okay. Now, direct contact force, two string here and here, and in here like that one, and direct contact force due to surface. Okay. Surface apply normal force perpendicular to surface. The surface apply in M block in perpendicular to the surface. Okay. Normal force always perpendicular to the surface. Clear or not? So, if this one is N1 and this one is the surface. Clear? And now here T1, here T1, here T2, so here T2. Clear or not? Clear or not? Direct contact force due to string, so and T2, here T2, 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 here T1, T1, here T1, here T1. Clear or not? Very simple. So, represent like that one. If we consider the whole system going on downward in this direction, that is A and that is also A. If you consider this whole system going on this direction or this direction, clear or not? Upward or downward. But if you consider, suppose that we have considered A is going on, this whole system going on downward. If after solving, if suppose that A is equal to minus something, it means this whole system going on opposite direction. Okay, clear or not? So, if this one is going on downward, so A and here A, and this whole system going on here A. Clear or not? So, this is the free body diagram, this is the free body diagram, and this is also free body diagram. Now next one we have focus on that one. Here T1, here if you suppose that as point mass, that is mg downward, and normal force N1. Clear or not? This is N1. That is clear or not? Okay. If this angle is 30 degree, okay, if this angle is 30 degree, that angle is 60, so this one is 30 degree. Okay, this one is 30 degree. So our next target is we have focus on vertical component and horizontal component of corresponding to M mass for M mass. Okay. Now we have already discussed, we have choose vertical component corresponding to if in which direction net force is 0. In which direction net force is 0? Only this one, in this direction, because clear or not, that is inclined plane. So mass M is going on this direction or this direction, okay, upward or downward, not going on here to here. It means in that direction vertical component is 0. Vertical component is 0. So that direction is V, or you can say the capital Y. Okay, it means that is capital Y, or you can say that vertical component, and that one is horizontal component, that is capital X. Clear or not? So it means all force resolving corresponding to capital Y axis and capital X axis. This one and this one already in this direction. Mg has two component, 30 degree, this one is 30. So this one is written as Mg cos 30 degree, and that one is Mg sin 30 degree. Clear or not? Okay. In Y direction net force is 0. It means N1 is written as N1 is equal to Mg cos 30. So it is written as root 3 M into G divided by 2. That is N1. That is N1. Okay. That is N1. Now, after that, this one is going on downward. It means 2mg is greater than T2. 2mg minus T2, it is written as mass into acceleration, that is equation number 1. Now that one, T2 plus mg minus T1, it is written as mass into acceleration, that is second one. And now last one, here this whole system going on upward, so T1 minus mg sin 30, mg sin 30 means mg by 2, so it is written as mg by 2, this is equal to mass m into A, that is equation number 3. Adding 1, 2, 3, adding 1, 2, 3, T1, T2, T3 are cancelled out, 2mg plus mg, that is 3mg minus mg by 2, that is written as 3mg minus mg by 2, it is written as 6mg minus mg divided by 2, that is 5mg by 2. Okay, so it is written 5 m into g divided by 2, it is written as 5 4 ma. This one is written as, that is 4 ma. 4 m into A. So what about A? A is written as finally 5g divided by 8. Okay, 5g divided by 8. Now if this value put here in equation number 3, then we got T1. So T1 is mg by 2 plus m into 5g by 8. Okay, so now this one is 8 and here 4. 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 mg. T1 is 9 mg by 8. Now, what about T2? T2 is 2m. What about G? What about A? A is equal to 5g by 8. 5g by 8. What about T2? T2 is written as, if this one is going on here, so 2 minus 2 mg minus 2m into 5g by 8 and plus 2 mg. Okay, so that is 3 mg divided by 6 mg divided by 8 means 3 mg by 4. That is T2. Okay, T2 is like that one, T1 is like that one, and what about A? Like that one.